This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. This one's for you, Kanana. We'll see you again. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. I wish that you could be right.
And yo, I'll never forget that little boy with them long brown curls and the big eyes staring at a whole new world that's in front of you. And damn it, man, that just ain't right. 17 years is old, man, that just ain't life. But I'll take it, oops. All them good times with you, all them things you did for me and what I done for you. It was true from the heart, and you know that now we had so much more to do. There was so much we wanted to see, like the nation to rise up again. I remember you made the change and got to see them win. From that day, you was a diehard. The funniest thing was this little nigga dressed up and ready to break the pain, all them haters, and I love you for that. And for making you see it, I know you love me right back. And the games won't be the same there without you, great. But your memories make me smile, so I just want
Hands
back.
Up.
Yeah.
This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. This one's for you, Kanana. We'll see you again. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. I wish that you could be
They say
right
they could die young. I guess it was your time to go. Even though I don't agree, wish I could hold you close, let you know that I love you. Hope you listen at night. But if God called, I'll take it though I'm missing you, partner. It hurts to think you was the sacrifice for family wounds to heal. If so, take my life. This can't be right. My nigga was just too damn young and too damn good. If I could bring you back, I would, but I can't. When your heart stopped, my heart just broke, and I'm hurting inside. I'm telling you, I can't let go. Bakunga, I cry knowing you fought so hard to see us again, but you only got so far. They use a shining star, way too good for this earth. The last born, but heaven bound, you'll be the first to see all of our people that have been called too. Please tell them we love them, Kane and Went, and we love you.
This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. This one's for you, Kanana. We'll see you again. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. I wish that you could be right.
It's been over a year now. My nigga would have been 19. Headed to Oakland next week so we can get high feet for the Raiders and for my nigga Kanan. Silver and black, forget about these niggas hating. Raiders till I die. Win, losing ties, the motto that he lived by and he died by. Man, how time flies. Can you feel the autumn wind? Kanan's in the sky.
That I had through the changes in our life. Everything's gonna be alright. Let's be a blessing and pour into the life of someone else. Though we go through ups and downs, His love will always be around. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. This one's for you, Kanana. We'll see you again. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. I wish that you could be right here. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. This one's for you, Kanana. We'll see you again. This one's for you, my brother. I miss you right now. I wish that you could be
Rest in
right
peace, baby.
here.
Kanana Fest 2010.